In observance of the International Day of Persons with Disabilities, a program was held in Mawkyrwat highlighting the rights and contributions of persons with disabilities. District Legal Service Authority officials emphasized the importance of inclusion, legal rights and educational access for the disabled community. Chief Legal and Defence Counsel N. Shah spoke about the rights of persons with disabilities in the education sector, where they get free and compulsory education from 6 to 18 years of age, unlike the non-disabled children who get free and compulsory education from 6 to 14 years of age. The Grow Together initiative